Hello YouTube, this is another video based on Project Racer. The last video it basically showed off car movement and how I applied levels. And today I've been working on other things. I've been making it optimized more and have more features. But before I get started, I'd like to warn you that yes, I did make it optimized, but since this is using physics, it is not a CPU hog, but it does require quite some well, CPU. So just a little warning that when I go to the game, it is going to be pretty bad quality. But I did set it to 30 FPS for my screen recorder, so I'm hoping that on YouTube it'll be better than what I'm actually experiencing. Here's the level. As you can see, I changed a few things. I got rid of the spawn points because now that's made differently. These red blocks right here, they're just really decorative, but this is where the finish line is going to be. And all these blocks, they're also decorative, but they just alert the player that, hey, something's going to happen here. And the thing that does happen is these are checkpoints. And yes, I did say checkpoints. I got things to work when it comes to laps. Now, I'm going to show you how these work. All checkpoints are set as a property right here. And the way it works is the character, which is what a car is, it inherits the character. It checks if it went through a checkpoint bounding box. And if it went through all the checkpoints in order, it has to be in order. That way you don't have people that are like cutting through the map or cutting through the course trying to get other checkpoints. So you have to pass through all the checkpoints in order. And then when you finish the last checkpoint, which would be the finish line, then all the checkpoints set to false, whether or not it collided, but the laps increase. It goes up by 1. So, enough with me just babbling about how the map works, and I'm just going to show you. Now, as I said, this is pretty poor quality for me, but I'm hoping that it'll be good when it comes to YouTube. Now, here the little 0, this represents how many laps. This is just for debugging, really, but yeah, so right now I completed 0 laps, obviously, because I just started. So right there I just passed 1 checkpoint, and here comes the physics. I like the physics the most, so yeah, that's just a little viewpoint from the game developer. But you know, who doesn't? Physics is quite the cool thing nowadays. Let me just press shift to boost. And this is another thing that's pretty cool. Yes, that is another checkpoint. But as you can see, I now have floors, which is something that I call, which means right here, that's on the 2nd floor, those things, and the cars are on the 0 floor. Floor number 0. So that's why it appears that he's going, or the driver is going under it. And here we go, we have another checkpoint. Dang, look at that, I just dominated it. And here's, well, I just lost the count of checkpoints. I wasn't really counting. But, dang, look at me dominate. And I'm not sure if you can hear through my headphones, but I am working on sound, so when I accelerate, it does make a sound. I'm working on proper ways to get sound in game. I never really worked on sound in many of my games besides picking sticks. So I apologize if you can hear it and it sounds poorly, but you know, it's my first time working with audio in a more sophisticated way than just background music. And we're about to reach the end. Here we go. And bam! One whole lap. Wasn't that exciting? It wasn't really for me. I mean, that was pretty poor quality on my side. But as you can see, I'm backing up and going forward, and it doesn't count as another lap because I have to clear. And as much as I'd love to go through another lap at about 3 FPS, yeah, I'm just gonna not do that. But I hope you enjoyed it. This just really shows the capabilities of what I'm working on and how I'm doing things. And I hope that I can post more videos soon. So thanks for watching.